Okay, guys, got like 2 seconds before like Wolf loses his shizazz, but nice river. Thought I saw something. What is that? See that over there? Ooh, it's great. This looks like, I don't really look at these old river rocks, right? It could be like this is some old river rock. What is this? Oh, some calcite on some basalt. I'm getting good at this now. You guys see anything that's good? Yeah, I'm gonna go to a different spot. I thought that was kind of interesting from up top though. That was cool. And that's probably that some greenstone. Oh look, some toilet paper. Wow. I'm so good at this game. This is a crystal ball. Just heavily weathered. You guys see that? That is a crystal ball. That is crystals too. Weird, hey? How they just all so gross on the beach. Alright. Let's go out here and let's like this too. There's a few quartz. Not bad for a spot. Just right. Wow. Dude. A big chunk of jasper? Dude. Okay. Sure, big chunk of jasper can come home with me. Dude. Cool. Alright, we got it. Back up the trail. What an exciting finds. I guess they didn't wait for me, did they? It's kind of icy today, you guys. Look at the camera down. Oh, and Marty's gravel. Oh, Slump Forest Trail. That's cool. That's a good find. Could try to rock saw that, couldn't we? Dude. Jasper and the moon. Oh, I wish I could get it away. Alright. Cool, right? Forest trails. Look at that. Ugh. Definitely some of the biggest trees around. Oh man, that made me feel 1,000 times better. For a cause.